Having a medical emergency today. This is the first time this has ever happened, but we got a goat down. The farm vet is on his way, making an emergency call. Gonna wish I had buckets of money when he arrives. Yeah, we're hoping she doesn't have pneumonia. Earlier today, I gave her some molasses, and she got back up on her feet. This is the second time she has been down. And it's not good. No. We'll see what's going on when the vet gets here. This is not good. Never had this happen with a goat before. And I just had a sick piglet who was nursed back to health. Didn't make a video on that one, but probably should have. Salt poisoning, it's a thing. And now that he's all better, got a goat down. So it kind of never ends. These animals, no matter what intentions you have or how well of a job you do, there are going to be vet bills. And they're big vet bills, and it really sucks. It's just one more thing homesteaders and farmers have to deal with. Yeah. At least I saved myself $200,000 on, veterinary school, I guess. But the care and the knowledge, it never ends. And I'm hoping this girl can get back on her feet. I don't know what to do for her right now except give her some more molasses. But all the vet has come and gone, and we have gotten this goat separated and loaded her up with food because apparently the problem is a heavy worm load. I don't use artificial chemical wormers here because it's an organic farm, and it's very possible that since I got this lady and her sister when they were a year old, that the previous humans with them gave them commercial wormer, and therefore what I was using wouldn't work too well. So unfortunately the worm load is not treatable with anything but a shot of, I'm guessing, ivermectin. So instead of risking this poor girl's life, I had the vet go ahead and give her a shot of it. Normally would never ever do that, but this has never happened before, and this girl's not looking too good. She's still not in the clear. Hoping she's gonna pull through, and tomorrow she gets a nice shot of that to give her a boost. I think it's a vitamin of some kind, but yeah, really scary for Snickers here, and we're hoping that she chows down on this buffet here and can overcome this horrible worm infestation. Yikes, this has never happened before. Yeah, her eyelids were really pale, and she's really skinny, and it's amazing how quickly they get skinny. Like, you won't notice, and then all of a sudden your goat will look terrible in just a couple of days. And yeah, it's a problem. I think up here in the north we have less of an issue with worms generally than in the south, but yeah, let me know in the comments section your experience with goats having emergency issues with worms. I mean, holy shit. Atta girl, keep eating. Chow down, Snickers. Yeah, your baby's out there. She wants you back.